David here, Weekly Week Look. Today is Friday, 22nd of June, 9:43 in the morning, UK week, November. Looking at the chart in front of us, market's live at the moment, monthly, yearly chart with monthly candles. We've been watching all the way through the 60 SMA. We've now got across the 30 SMA monthly, crossing the 60. We can identify this, as I move my mouse over here, this nice upward sloping trend. We've had two stellar months. We're now into June. We've broken through 160. Our target was up here 164, 165. Oh, what can we say? It's stalling a bit here, Moan. Trading live, as we say, 115 to 795. Bit of red candle. Will we close the month below this one here? Could well do. Will this affect this long-term trend since we've got into 2018? No, it won't. So this always gives us the confidence. We start with this chart to start with. We're still in an upwards trend, but let's have a look at the monthly candle. And we can see here this big stellar candle here in May, June. We're faltering a little bit at the moment, failing to get through here, but still got an upward sloping channel, upward sloping move to at the present moment. Pop down into weekly. Weekly, we can identify here that we've got this sort of like hammer-like candle, came down to test the, what was this on here? The 10 SMA on the weekly, 154, found support, and we've bounced back. The longer term average is still pointing up, looking good. Pop back down into the all-important daily. We're going to the pros live charts. We've got this drawn on here with our wave count for the Elliott wave here. We can identify this fall here, came down. I was saying last week we wouldn't like to see this fall below the swing high here of 154. It came down to 54.20, so we can say this support is held. We've now seen this bounce up 3 days. Stochastics coming off the base of it. Where do we go from here? There's a job to call at the moment. My target's still in place here for this wave at 164. The trend has not changed and we've held support. So you have to give the nod to the bulls at the present moment that we are still likely to hold this level and go and have the test of 164. We can see clearly that this support was tested and held, so that gives a good marker. So really what we can say is if the market holds above 154, the more likely is that it will go up to test this high at the present moment. But if at all we see a close of 2 or 3 days below 154, the alarm bells sound and we could slip back down to test, say, 150 or 50 at this kind of level at the moment. So at the moment, as we've come back into this identify, we sort of can see, you can see sort of a range sort of coming here. Now, we've seen this before happen. We've got sort of sideways, we've tested a high, we've tested a low. We can sort of backfill around this 160 now for a couple of weeks. That would be my preference. May have a spike up to 164. Yeah, could happen. But obviously we know where the support is, so we'll keep an eye on that. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.